it's your girl Cash. I'm back at it with another video. If you can tell by the thumbnail and the title, this is an unpacking. I will be basically showing you hair that was sent to me. I am doing a collaboration with 2 hair companies. Shout out to Big God. Yes, I have been missing. I will get back to YouTube maybe after I upload this video. But I have to send them their stuff first, and then I'll get back to Queen City Cash. However, so today I will be doing a unboxing for Jenny_wig hair. I will put her Instagram here somewhere, and it's also going to be in the description box below. All right, so it came in this purple packaging, and along with the wig I received 4 headbands. You have the zebra, you have the burgundy with flower decorations, you have the cheetah print, which I love, and then you have the navy blue with the purple. And again, this is Jenny_wig hair, WIGHAIR. And I have the 24 black 1B body wave headband wig. It comes in the fishnet to keep the hair fresh. The packaging, well, you get it from Amazon, so you will go to Amazon and I'll put the actual search name or search title in the description box so you'll know how to order it. This hair was $24, I believe. I can't remember right off the top of my head. And once you take it out the pack, here it is. And this is synthetic. Let's get into it. It is very soft. It doesn't feel synthetic, but you can tell by the shine that it does have some type of mixed blend to it. The headband is here. And then you have a clip in the front. And you have, so the Velcro in the back to let you tighten the band how you want to, as well as a clip in the back. And if you look along the brim of the wig, you can see where there are baby hairs in the back to make it look more natural. And they have several different colors. I just happen to choose the 1B just because I feel like I could do a lot more, and you can't really tell when it tangles up when it's a dark color. Here it is again. And so here are some tips for those who do order. Here are some tips I wanted to give you. When you have body wave, so there are different types of patterns. You have bone straight, you have body wave, you have curly, and I believe body wave, curly, straight. I believe those are the 3 that I wrote down. Yeah. So first things first, once you take it out the stocking, you will shake it a little bit to let the curl do its thing because it is body wave and it has been in the packaging. She does it, but the company do advise that you do not use a regular brush. You can take one of wide tooth comb. I can't find my other wide tooth comb, but you can take the wide tooth comb and just comb straight through. As you can see, it is combing and it is bouncing, okay? It's combing and it is bouncing, like literally combing straight through. Ooh. Combing straight through and bouncing, combing straight through and bouncing, combing straight through and bouncing. This is really soft hair. All wigs will have minimum shed. I've never known a wig not to shed, but they do advise that once you unravel it, you shake it a little bit and then you can hang it. Not hanging it too long. Just as me running my hands through it, I mean, you do have some type of hair shedding. I mean, shedding comes with it majority of the time. And then if you want to comb it, please, ladies, be very, very gentle. You don't want to be rough on your wig. You want to take care of the wig. You want to treat it like, you know, it's your own hair, because why would you not? Okay? And then if you do the if you do the curly, the deep curly, however, please do not use a brush nor a comb. Use your fingers just to detangle it. That way it doesn't have that shed and it doesn't take the pattern out of the curl or take the pattern out of the wig. So that is that one. Again, this is Jenny_wig hair. I will be wearing this, okay? Right now you can see I have bundles in my head currently. So I can't try it on now, but yes, this is the 1B body wave. I believe this is a 24. If I'm not mistaken, it might be a 26. Again, that is Jenny_wig hair. I will leave everything in the description box below. I will also be placing her picture or her Instagram somewhere up here. And then I have another another unpackaging from another hair company. I want to say it's Loose Mirror, but let me double check. Yes, it is Loose Mirror. So I did my butterfly locks with Loose Mirror maybe a couple of months ago. I am currently behind with installing hair. I'm sorry, that was bothering my soul. Okay. All right. But I am behind, so I have to put in those boxes over there are hair that I need to put in because I have collabed with a bunch of people and I'm behind because this is on my head. But however, we're gonna catch up. This is another collab with Loose Mirror. This is my second time being a part of their collaboration, so thank you, Loose Mirror. And with this, I have the, y'all, hair make you feel like you got bug on you or something. Where is it coming from? It's coming from somewhere. I don't know where, but it's coming. All right, so we have another packaging. Let me not break a nail. And both of these came from Amazon. Pretty much you just order and they PayPal you back. I'm gonna probably put these in maybe winter time, like September. So this is an 18-inch. It comes with the crochet, utensil crochet installer, and it comes with a little bit of hair decorations. I could not get that out. And then you have the 18-inch. I'm gonna take it out the pack for y'all. And it gives you this. I chose the color at the ends because this is close to the color I want to get in my hair, my natural hair, because it looks so good on your dark skin. But this is an 18-inch. See, it's stretchy. And Loose Mirror does have good quality hair. It looks natural. It looked like low-key 2-strand twists with maybe curl rod, like a small rod at the end dipped in water. So that is that, and that comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it comes with 8 packs of hair, which should take up your whole head. If not, you just got a big head and you need help. But that is it. Also with the Jenny_wig hair, just forgot to tell you, there is no smell. Like, it doesn't have a smell. You know how some packaging or some wigs may have like a tank smell or a faint smell to it? This literally has no smell. I should do a giveaway. I don't know. If you watch it all the way through and you want this, let me know. I may bless you with it. I don't know yet. But yes, that is all I have for you ladies today. I didn't want to make this super long because I haven't came back to YouTube yet, but I did just want to get on here and shout out to Loose Mirror and Jenny_wig hair for, you know, inviting me or asking me to show off their wonderful hair, and show off their company and give positive reviews. And I'm gonna always keep it real. I've done Loose Mirror before. The butterfly locks were amazing. I enjoyed them, and now that I have a headband wig and some passion twist, I shall try them out and see what it gives. I also have to do another company, so I am a little behind, but I will make sure I show videos and show clips of everything once I get it installed. But that's all I have for you today, ladies. Have a wonderful day. Be blessed, never stressed, and stay 6 feet away. Bye.